Hello, how is everyone doing today? It is Andrew from IDB here. There are so many light bulbs out on the market. There seem to be more smart light bulbs than any other category of HomeKit product or any other smart home product, to be frank. And one of the ones we're looking at today is the Smart Plus lineup from Sylvania. These are 800 lumens bulbs, which is actually surprisingly bright, and we covered the full color version. This is a lower cost version that just is solely white. So you have white and then you have the ability to dim. So it's still a smart bulb. You can still do everything you can in the other ones, but you don't need the color necessarily in every room of your house. For instance, I don't really need colors in my kitchen or my bathrooms. I'm pretty cool with just having white and saving a few bucks. So that's what makes these bulbs pretty nice. Similar to the other Smart Plus lineup from Sylvania, they have a really solid build quality. I can't really complain at all about how the bulb looks, feels. It feels fairly solid, not too heavy. It does get a bit warm over time of use, but nothing too crazy. These also require no hub, so there's nothing additional that you need to use. For instance, with the Philips Hue light bulb, you do need to use their bridge to connect it into your system. So you don't have to worry about that at all here. Simply plug in the bulb, screw in the bulb, make sure the light is on, and you can continue on with setup, which is really just dead simple. Setup works pretty much like every other HomeKit accessory out there. Jump into the Home app, tap in that plus button on the top right hand corner, and hit Add Accessory. Using the camera, you can go ahead and scan the code that was included on the instruction manual, or you can manually enter the code that was printed on the side of the light bulb. They're exactly the same, but you can scan it off the instruction manual where you'd have to type it in if you go off the bulb. It'll immediately find the bulb, at least it immediately found it for me. I was able to confirm because the light would flash, so I knew what I was adding, and I was on my way. I could choose a name for the bulb, give it a custom icon based on what kind of light it happens to be, and choose which room this light bulb is going to be in. As I said before, this is a stark white bulb, so there's no different hues to this. It's literally just white. So in the HomeKit app, that's the option you have. You can adjust the brightness up and down and turn it on and off, as well as everything you can do inside of the automation tab. There's tons of stuff you can do here. If you're not familiar, just some of the basics to walk you through. You can have it turn on when people arrive home. You can have it turn off or do something when people leave. You can have them turn on and off based on the time of day, when an accessory is controlled, like a button is pressed, or when something detects motion. Plain white HomeKit bulbs are not the most exciting accessory out there on the market. They can't even look that cool because they're hidden inside of a fixture the whole time. But fact is, that's really what most people need in their homes, and it is an important step inside of HomeKit because it's making HomeKit bulbs more affordable, allowing more people to adopt this technology into their homes. Basically being able to pick up a light bulb like this that has all these connected features, just plug it in, screw it in, connect it to the app, and you're good to go. And there are so many advanced techniques that you can use for automating these things, like helping you wake up in the morning, or turning on with the sunset, turning off when you leave, coming on when you get home, when you press the garage door, your lights inside come on. Like, there's so many different things that you can do. It just is really exciting to be able to do that, and making the price of smart bulbs like this a lot more affordable and easy to set up. If you want to pick up one of these bulbs or any of the other Sylvania Smart Plus lineup of HomeKit items, you can find the links down below in the description and check out all of our other reviews. Let me know what you think of the bulb, as well as your other HomeKit and smart home ideas down below in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.